Hello, beautiful. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and creative expression? Welcome to your makeup adventure. It's a world filled with endless possibilities, where you get to be the artist and your face is the canvas. Think of makeup as a way to express yourself, to showcase your personality, and to highlight the features that make you uniquely you. Your face is your canvas. It's a place where you can experiment, play, and discover what makes you feel confident and beautiful. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tutorials or intimidated by the sheer volume of products available, you're definitely not alone. We'll break everything down into simple, easy steps so you can learn at your own pace and build a solid foundation. The goal isn't to look like someone else or to conform to any specific beauty standard, but to enhance your own features, to bring out your natural radiance, and to feel good in your own skin. Makeup is about confidence. It's about embracing your individuality and feeling empowered to express yourself, and having fun with colors and textures. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shades and finishes to find what you love. We'll focus on the basics, the essential tools and techniques that will help you create a variety of looks. The building blocks for any look, whether you're going for a natural everyday glow or a glamorous evening style. There are no strict rules, only guidelines. Just guidelines to help you discover what you love, what makes you feel confident, and what expresses your unique style. You're in control. Wear as much or as little makeup as you want. The choice is entirely yours, and it should always be based on what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Some days, a little mascara and lip balm is enough, a quick and easy way to enhance your natural beauty. Other days, you might want a full look, complete with foundation, eyeshadow, and lipstick for a special occasion, or just because you feel like it. We're aiming for confidence, not perfection. It's okay if your eyeliner isn't perfectly symmetrical, or if your eyeshadow isn't flawlessly blended. Every artist starts with a single brushstroke, a first step into the world of creativity and self-expression. This is yours. This is your opportunity to explore, experiment, and discover your own unique style. Let go of any pressure. There's no need to compare yourself to others or to strive for an unattainable ideal. This is a judgment-free zone. We're all here to learn, grow, and support each other on our individual makeup journeys. Your first attempts might not be perfect, you might make mistakes, and that's perfectly normal, and that's completely fine. Embrace the learning process, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to laugh at your mistakes. Everyone starts somewhere, and every makeup artist, no matter how skilled, was once a beginner. And practice is how you improve. The more you experiment and play with makeup, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Grab your products, your brushes, and your favorite mirror. Or just follow along for now and gather your supplies later. Let's unlock your creativity and discover the artist within you and celebrate your unique beauty, because you are beautiful inside and out, and makeup is just a tool to enhance what's already there. Ready? Let's begin this exciting process together. I'm so excited to guide you on this journey of self-discovery and creative expression. Makeup is for everyone, regardless of age, gender, or skin tone. Let's have some fun, because at the end of the day, makeup should be enjoyable and empowering. Welcome to your first step into the world of makeup. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and discover the transformative power of self-expression. Before we even think about reaching for that foundation or concealer, let's take a moment to talk about your skin, the canvas upon which we'll create our masterpiece. Think of your skin as an artist's canvas. Prepping it properly makes all the difference in the world. Just like a painter primes their canvas, we need to prepare our skin. Start by gently washing your face, removing any impurities or leftover makeup from the day before. Use a gentle cleanser specifically suited to your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Once you've cleansed, pat your skin dry. Don't rub aggressively, as this can cause irritation and redness. Next up, moisturizer is absolutely essential, even if you have oily skin. Many people mistakenly believe that oily skin doesn't need moisturizer, but that's simply not true. It hydrates and smooths your face, creating the perfect base for makeup application. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer if you have oily skin, or a richer, more emollient one if your skin tends to be dry. Gently massage it in, using upward and outward motions. Then, let it fully absorb into your skin before moving on to the next step. And finally, if it's morning, absolutely don't skip sunscreen. SPF 30 or higher is crucial to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Many moisturizers now conveniently include SPF, making it easy to combine steps. Remember, healthy, hydrated skin not only looks beautiful, but also boosts your confidence before you even start applying makeup. Good skin prep is the secret weapon that helps your makeup last longer throughout the day and ultimately look more natural and radiant. So take good care of your skin. It's truly the best foundation you can possibly have. Now that our skin is prepped and ready, let's get ready for makeup. With your skin prepped and cleansed, it's time for primer. Think of primer as the unsung hero of your makeup routine. It creates a smooth canvas, readying your skin for what comes next. Primer smooths your skin, blurring imperfections and minimizing pores. More importantly, it helps makeup last longer, preventing it from fading or creasing throughout the day. It's like a little insurance policy for your flawless look. Use a pea-sized amount. A little goes a long way. Dot it on your forehead, nose, and chin, the areas that tend to get oily. Then blend outward using gentle upward strokes. Make sure you cover all areas where you'll be applying foundation. Let it set for a minute or two. This allows the primer to fully absorb into your skin, creating the perfect base for your foundation. Next, foundation, the key to a flawless complexion. Think of it as evening out your skin tone, not completely covering it up. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not mask it. For beginners, try a BB cream, which offers light coverage and added skincare benefits, CC cream, which is great for correcting color imbalances, or tinted moisturizer for a natural dewy look. Test shades on your jawline. This is the best way to find a match that blends seamlessly with your natural skin tone. The right one disappears into your skin, creating a natural, undetectable finish. Apply with fingers for a sheer natural finish, or use a damp sponge like a beauty blender for an airbrushed, flawless look. Start with a small amount, you can always add more. And build up coverage only where needed, focusing on areas with blemishes or unevenness. Foundation should look like your skin, just a bit more even and refined. Don't forget to blend seamlessly into your hairline and down your jawline to avoid any harsh lines. If you want more coverage in certain areas, add a little more foundation only where necessary, using a dabbing motion to avoid disturbing the initial layer. The goal is a fresh, natural-looking base that enhances your features. Less is more. Let your natural skin shine through, creating a radiant and healthy glow. With your base done, you're ready for the next step. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Let's move on to concealer and powder to further refine your complexion. Concealer is your secret weapon for extra coverage. Use it sparingly on dark circles, blemishes, or redness. Choose a shade that matches your foundation, or one shade lighter for under eyes. Dot it on, then gently tap to blend with your finger or a small brush. For blemishes, apply directly and blend the edges. Next, set your base with powder to control shine and lock everything in. A translucent powder works for all skin tones. Use a fluffy brush, tap off excess, and lightly sweep over your face. Focus on the T-zone. Avoid using too much powder. You want a natural finish, not a cakey look. Powder helps your makeup last and keeps oil at bay. That's it. Your base is set. Now, let's add some color to your eyes. Eye makeup doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a small neutral eyeshadow palette. 4 shades are enough. Use a medium matte brown in your crease with a fluffy brush for depth. Sweep it back and forth in a windshield wiper motion. Next, pat a light shimmery shade on your eyelid to brighten your eyes. Just these 2 colors create a classic everyday look. If you want more definition, try a brown or black pencil eyeliner. Make small dashes along your upper lash line, then smudge for a soft effect. No need for a perfect line, just enhance your lashes. This simple routine makes your eyes pop without being dramatic. Eye makeup is all about blending and having fun. Practice and experiment with colors as you get comfortable. Ready for brows and lashes? Let's go! Brows really do frame your face beautifully, so let's keep them natural and easy. Brush your brows upward gently with a spoolie. This helps to see their natural shape. Then fill in any sparse areas with a pencil, or you can use a tinted brow gel. Remember to use light, hair-like strokes for a natural look. Choose a shade that is very close to your natural brow color. Focus especially on defining the arch, and also the tail for added definition. Next, gently curl your lashes to give them a nice lift. Apply mascara carefully from the base of your lashes to the tips. Wiggling the wand slightly ensures even coverage. 1 or 2 coats should be enough. This will give you great volume and length. Now, for your bottom lashes, use just the very tip of the wand lightly. Well-groomed brows and beautifully defined lashes will instantly open up your eyes and make them brighter. Even minimal makeup looks so much more polished with these simple steps. It's simple and natural and very effective overall. Now let's add just a touch of color to your cheeks and lips. Blush brings life back to your face after foundation. Choose a soft pink or peach powder blush for a natural glow. Smile to find the apples of your cheeks, then sweep blush upward and outward. Start light and build up gradually. A gentle flush is the goal. For lips, start with a tinted balm or gloss for easy, hydrating color. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color for a subtle look. If you want to try lipstick, go for a creamy formula. Apply from the center outwards, or use your finger for a soft, stained effect. Blush and lips tie your whole look together. These steps are quick, easy, and make a big difference. Experiment with colors as you get more confident. You're almost done. Just a few final tips. Let's wrap up your makeup journey. You've completed your first simple makeup look. Congratulations on this milestone. Remember, it's about learning, growing, and feeling confident in your own skin, not perfection. Each time you practice, you'll get better and discover what truly works for you and your unique features. Start with small amounts of product and blend well for a seamless and natural finish. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. Everyone starts somewhere. Makeup is a skill that improves with time and experimentation. Try new colors, techniques, and have fun with the process. Your personal style will shine through as you practice. Makeup is just one way to express yourself. Enjoy it. You're beautiful with or without makeup. Keep practicing, keep playing, and trust your creativity. There are no rules. Just have fun. Your makeup journey has just begun, so embrace the process.